Replace fan. Loosen this screw with a 2 mm L wrench. And open the cover. Loosen these 4 screws with a 2.5 mm L wrench. Unplug this connector and remove the fan. Install the new fan, ensuring that this label faces inwards. Plug in the connector. Use the 4 screws to reinstall the entire assembly. And tighten the screws. Screw the screw back in.